Hi amigos, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths Phobia. In the previous class, we have learned some problems before exercise 6a and now we are going to learn an important concept in order to solve few problems in exercise 6a. So if the question was given as sine 300, in order to find this value, write this value in the terms of 360 minus 60 or sine 270 plus 30, so that this can be written as 90 into 4 minus 60. As we learned in the previous class, the trigonometric table, which means 0, 90, 180, 270 and finally 360. Calculate 4 times from 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus theta. So this value of sine theta lies in quadrant 4. So as we learn that the sine is negative in quadrant 4, this turns to sine 60. As we all know that the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is the procedure how to solve if the question is given sine 300 or other. Friends, let's solve few problems in exercise 6a. So the question is tan theta minus 14 pi. They were asked to find the value of tan theta minus 14 pi. In order to get the value, the theta should always be in the right hand side. So this can be written as 14 pi minus theta. As we all learn that tan minus theta is equals to minus tan theta. Minus of tan 14 pi minus theta. So calculate 14 times from 180. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 and 14 minus theta lies in third quadrant, which means that tan value is positive. So this is minus tan theta. So let's go into next sum. It is given that cos square 45 plus sin square 135 plus cos square 225 plus cos square 315 and asked to find the value of this. So let's convert this into the simplest form. So sin square 135 can be written as 180 minus 45 and cos square 225 can be written as 180 plus 45 and cos square 315 can be written as 270 plus 45. As we all know that the value of cos square 45 is 1 by root 2 and sin 180 minus theta is sin theta and sin square 45 and 180 plus theta, cos 180 plus theta is minus cos 45 whole square and 270 plus theta is positive, which means sin square 45. As we know that the sin square 45 value is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square. This gives rise to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. 4 by 2, which means 2. The given question, sin theta is equals to minus 1 by 3. So the sin value is negative. So theta lies in either of third quadrant or fourth quadrant. In the question it is given that the theta does not lies in third quadrant. From the given line, we can say that finally the theta lies in fourth quadrant. So let us take a right angle triangle, assuming B as a right angle, hypotenuse 3, opposite 1 and adjacent x. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, AB square BC square is equals to AC square. Substitute the values in order to get x square x value. 1 plus x square is equals to 9. So x square is equals to 9 minus 1, which means 8. X is equals to 2 root 2. So in the question they asked to find the value of cos theta and cot theta. As you know that cot theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse, which means 2 root 2 by hypotenuse is 3. And asked to find the value of cot theta. Cot theta, whose measure is adjacent by opposite. The value of adjacent is 2 root 2 and opposite is 1, which means 2 root 2. Going to the next question, it is given that cosecant theta plus cot theta is 1 by 3 and find the value of cos theta and determine the quadrant in which theta lies. So first for solving this sum, we are using a trigonometric identity, which is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. As this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. Cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to 1. As we know that cosecant theta plus cot theta is 1 by 3, substitute the value in this figure. Is 1, which means that cosecant theta minus cot theta is 3. Take this as equation 2 and this as equation 1. Solving equation 1 and 2. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is 1 by 3 and cosecant theta minus cot theta is 3. Cancel and add this. So 2 cosecant theta is equals to 1 by 3 plus 3, which means that 1 plus 9 by 3, 10 by 3. The value of cosecant theta is equals to 5 by 3. They were asked to find the value of cos theta and determine the value of theta. So in order to find the cos theta value, so consider this as cosecant theta is equals to 5 by 3. As we all know that cosecant theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by adjacent. So take this as a right angle triangle with ABC, AB as an opposite and BC as adjacent and AC as hypotenuse. Given that hypotenuse is 5, adjacent is 3, and by using Pythagoras theorem we get AB, which means opposite side, as 4. So the value of cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse, which means that 3 by 5. To determine the value of theta, substitute the value of cosecant theta is equals to 5 by 3 in equation 1. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to 1 by 3, and value of cosecant theta is 5 by 3, which means that cot theta is equals to 1 by 3. Cot theta is equals to 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3, which means that minus 4 by 3. As theta is negative, theta lies in quadrant 2 and 4. As cosecant theta is positive, it lies in quadrant 2 and quadrant 1. From these two, as theta 2 is as quadrant 2 is similar, so finally theta lies in quadrant 2. So in this given question, convert this cosecant alpha into 1 by sin alpha, and the LCM is sin alpha. So sin square alpha plus 1 by sin alpha is 2. So cross multiply with this value. Sin square alpha plus 1 is equals to 2 sin alpha. Take this to LHS. So sin square alpha plus 1 minus 2 sin alpha is equals to 0. This value is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which means a plus b whole square. So this can be written as sin of alpha minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. Take this whole square to that side, which becomes 0. So sin alpha is equals to 1. In order to find the value of sin power n, which means that sin whole power 1, this 1, and cosecant, which means 1 and 1. The sum of these two gives rise to 2. Thank you amigos for watching my videos. Stay tuned for next videos.